In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply for the Opportunity Card Visa online from the German consulate website. And so if you would like to know more about this, if you want me to take you through the process of applying online to the point of going physically to the German embassy for your biometrics, then stick around and watch this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, I'm a Nigerian based in Germany, and on this channel I give updates about Germany and a sneak peek into my life in Germany. And so in this video I'll be showing you how to apply for the Opportunity Card Visa online. And meanwhile, if you do not yet know what the Opportunity Card Visa is all about, I would advise you to check out my videos. I'm going to link them to this video so that you get a deep understanding about what the Opportunity Card Visa is all about. But in this video I'll be taking you through how to apply for the Opportunity Card Visa online, because I've gotten a lot of questions on my page. How do I apply online? What link to click? How do you navigate the website? That's what I'm about to talk about in this video. So I'm going to start this video by taking you through the Consulate General portal for most countries. So I'm going to just cite an example, like to apply for this visa in Nigeria at the moment. We are going to begin with that. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to start from Nigeria. Let's go through this. So in my previous videos about the Opportunity Card Visa, I linked the websites for different German embassies in different countries. So I'm going to go to one of those videos right now. Okay, I'm going to go to the previous live I did, and so under it is the link to these websites. I'm going to click on that. These are different German embassy websites in different countries. Nigeria is in. Let's start with Nigeria. Okay, here I have it. I'll click on the German Embassy Abuja, and here I'm going to go to their services and I will click on Visa and Entry. Under Visa and Entry, I'll go to National Visa and Long-Term Visa, and from there I would look under this place. Yeah, we found it. Visa Opportunity Card. So from here we can see that this is the checklist for applying for an Opportunity Card Visa in Nigeria right now. These are the things you need to apply for the Opportunity Card Visa in Nigeria. From this place we can find 2 fully completed application forms, this declaration personally filled out and signed. I think that should be among the application forms. A valid and signed passport with at least 6 months of validity. Yeah, I will add the link to this video. You can check from the description box. Also valid and expired passports, 2 recent biometric passports. This one is for non-Nigerian nationals, Nigerian resident permit, a computer written and personally signed letter of motivation, a detailed computer written CV. So you need to also take your CV along with you while you're applying for this visa. So for financing, you can see here that if you can cover the cost of your living in Germany, it is acceptable, which is 12,324 euro per year for the whole year. You take it along to the embassy, or a formal declaration of commitment. That is, if someone from Germany, a family, a relative, a friend, can get a declaration of commitment that they're going to take care of you while all the time you're gonna be in Germany for that 1 year, then you can present that. Or if you have a secondary employment in Germany, if you can prove this, if you already have a job contract from Germany, a binding job offer that shows the weekly working hours and monthly earnings that you're going to get from that company, you can present this. So what is happening here is the 3 evidences were summarized or well detailed. Like, is either you present a blogged account, or you present a secondary employment from a company in Germany that you can prove with a contract that you have a binding job offer with them, or you have a declaration of commitment from someone in Germany who can stand in for you and say they will feed you or they will take care of you for the whole 1 year you'll be in Germany. So this is now the other part of the requirement, the skilled worker requirement. So here, if you add your study in Germany, yeah, then you're already a skilled worker. You would not be needing the 6 points based system. But if you have a foreign vocational training, that is a training from your country of residence or a university degree from your country of residence, and you're able to recognize it in Germany via the ZAB, then you're a skilled worker in Germany and you would not be needing the 6 points. Can you see here? You do not need to collect any points to receive the opportunity card if you have this skilled worker requirements, you won't be needing any points for the opportunity card visa. So you can read it up. I will leave the link to this website and this video so you can go back and read up. Certification Evaluation Central Office. Here you can see here, this is ZAB. You can also use the vocational training in Germany or university degree in Germany, or recognition of the equivalence of the foreign professional qualification by the relevant body responsible for recognition, or recognition of the equivalence of the foreign university degree from the ANABIN database. If you have this from the ANABIN database, they are saying it is acceptable. Or if the degree is not related or equivalent in the ANABIN database, you have that, or you have a ZAB, like I'm going to mention later in this video. Is either you have ANABIN or you have ZAB. For certain professions too, you would need a permit, like doctors, engineers. We need permission to practice this profession from the responsible body. So you can see this is all that you'll be needing. So if you go through this very well, you will be able to put together your required documents to apply for this visa. So I think one more thing I want to say is, for those of you that have been asking me about the English proficiency, they are saying for the test of English, they are only accepting that of TOEFL. Okay, you can either use ALTE or you use TOEFL to prove your English proficiency. So it seems that IELTS is not acceptable by the German embassy in Nigeria. Okay, so below it is the point-based requirements. If you don't have all of those requirements from the skilled worker part, then you would need this point-based system to show the embassy. I hope this has helped your understanding on what is required of you to take to the embassy for those of you who are in Nigeria. Let's check for another country that the online registration is on, or the online application is available. Let me go back to that video. Let me go to those websites again, and let me just take, let's take Estonia, for example. I'm just going to search for opportunity card visa here just to make it faster. Opportunity card visa, then search. So right here there are two results here. So opportunity card visa. Okay, so from the details from this particular country's website, we can see what you need. Okay, so it's saying if you are eligible for an opportunity card, if you can prove sufficient financial means including health insurance. So each country streamlines their requirements or their qualifications so that you are well aware. What I'm trying to say by that is, for the particular German embassy you're going to get the opportunity card visa from, be sure of what their requirements are streamlined to. So for here, you need to also have health insurance. Some of these things are actually general, but some countries would, maybe with one or two little differences, would differ. So it's important that you know. Then they are saying you can only book an appointment online, which if we click, then we can be able to book. But before we go there, let's go to required documents. One field inside application form according. Okay, so these are the required documents you're supposed to bring if you are going to apply in this country. This is just an example. Proof of sufficient financial means, the exact money, 1,027 euro, then curriculum vitae. Now these people are looking, they're asking for your CV. So it's actually important that you go into details what the German embassy you're going to visit is actually looking out for. Proof of accommodation for at least 1 month, you can say. German health insurance for they're here. Valid passport, Estonian resident permit, 1 copy. Okay, so it depends on your country, Shane. So there are 2 different ways of recognizing your certificates in Germany. I mean, that's your qualifications. I've had people ask me, how do I recognize my certificates in Germany? So you can either use the ANABIN database or you use the ZAB. I will leave the link in the description box. Some people argue that you need both, while some people say you need one. I would advise that you check what the specifications of the German embassy you're visiting is, so that you would know exactly what to take along. But for ANABIN, you need to just go to ANABIN database and search for your school and the course you studied to see if it is found in that database. Then you print it and take it to the embassy. Or in some embassies, they would actually want you, or they will actually ask for the ZAB. The ZAB is actually recognizing your certificate in Germany. So that's, I think that costs about 300 euro, where you send your documents to Germany, or Germany would like to link up with your school to find out and know if that document is true and all of that. And according to my research, I think it takes like 3 months for the whole processing. Yeah. So it's just important. The whole point of this is it's important that you know the specifics of the German embassy you're visiting, right? So this being said, I think if you read through this, this is just an example. If you read through, you would see in details. Now look at the recognition of your foreign university degree can be checked in the database, and then you can see here that knowledge of German has to be proven by Goethe. You can see that Goethe, and your knowledge of English you have to prove via IELTS. Okay, so that's just the breakdown. So it depends on the German embassy you're going to visit. From that portal, if you notice, you can see that the cost of the Opportunity Card visa is 75 euro. And I've got some questions over time that what do they mean by proof of funds? So proof of funds is just about you having a blocked account, like some money fixed in an account, which must be your name, which must be yours. In short, see, really, this is my advice from my heart. If you can do as much as possible to just prove that you qualify for this Opportunity Card visa, do it. Like, do it. Don't say, oh, I don't have to do this. I don't, like, as much as is within your power, do it. Yeah, it could serve as an advantage, and competition could arise and a lot of people on deck. So you just want to put yourself on top of the game. You want to put yourself forward. Yeah, so let me just take you through the online application for the sake of you knowing you're on the right track when you begin your application. Now, to apply for the Opportunity Card visa in Nigeria, you can't do that directly online. You have to book an appointment with the German embassy in Nigeria. So this is how to go about it. I will just go to one of the videos I posted earlier. I will go and look for German websites, and I will look for Nigeria. That's Nigeria. So I will add this link to this video. You're going to be able to click it. I will add the German embassy link for Nigeria, so it will be easier for you. I will just go ahead to Nigeria now. I clicked the one for Abuja, or I don't know, you could click anyone. So I'm going to the services, visa and entry. Then I would go for national visa. From there, I will go downwards. You can see what I discussed earlier. Yeah, the visa opportunity card. Those are the requirements. But just under it, you will go to book an appointment. This is book an appointment through the online consulate in Lagos. Then now we are here. This is a visa appointment and all. So you just go to further. From further, you can see many choices here. So it is important that you choose the one for the Opportunity Card visa. So this is Schengen visa, registration for application for long term. This one does not have, you can see here, no student, no employment. So that's not what we're going for. The Opportunity Card visa is the last one on this list. Then we're going to press further. Yeah, at further, then we can see here registration for the Opportunity Card. This is new appointment we're about to book. So we'll just click new appointment. You can see here now, this is where you put in your information. Let me use an example. Your first name, maybe this is your first your last name. I mean, your last name is your surname. Then your first name is your real name. Let's say this. Then you put in your email. You put in the repeat email, your passport number. You had it there. Then your qualification. You can see here that what qualification is at least 2 years of recognized vocational training. If that is what you're adding, if it is a recognized academic degree you're adding, you choose. And if it's this last one, you choose. Yeah, let's just say I say 2 years vocational training. Then the university or professional qualification, if it was recognized or acquired in Germany, yes or no. Okay, maybe not recognized, I'll say no. Then I have applied for the procedure of recognize. Yeah, if you have applied, if you are on, like, if you've started the process of recognizing your certificate, then you can put here. Remember, it adds you scores. Then you can say no or yes. Then I already have a certificate of equivalence or the requirement of a compensatory measure. Yeah, that's a certificate to show that maybe you are in the process, I think. I'm not so sure about this, but you just read through my score according to self-check here. You need to check yourself. I think there's a link here already where you can, on the website, on the German website, where you can check your score. I think it is in the preceding page. You can check it out. Then my livelihood in Germany is secure. Yes, either through the 3 ways you can prove your security, your livelihood security in Germany. You can, if you have any of those, then you can add it here. Then you upload a picture, then you enter the tests you see here, and that's it. You save it. So after then you wait to get response. You can see from this place said, after successful registration, you will shortly receive a confirmation email. Yeah, and please check that you've received it. Yeah, you need to check that you've received an email. Then you'll be notified of the exact details of the appointment approximately 4 weeks before the appointment. Yeah, at least 4 weeks you have an information about your appointment. Please make absolutely sure that the email address you provided when registering is valid until you attend the appointment. If you change your email address after registering, you will unfortunately have to cancel your existing email. So due to high demand, the waiting time for an appointment is currently 1 year. That is really dramatic, but it's better to be on the waiting list than not to apply at all. So please understand that inquiries regarding your registration cannot be answered due to the high workload. All resources are needed to reduce waiting times. So to continue registration, please click on new appointment at the bottom of this page. So this is what it looks like to apply for the opportunity card in Nigeria. So I'll just move on to what it looks like in other countries. So I'm going to just click on the opportunity card visa. This is for the country that has it going on. Then you can see here that an appointment can only be booked online. So we'll try to book an appointment. We click on that. And these are the options you have: national visa, long-term stay, over 90 visa. Yeah, so we are doing a long-term stay. We are going to click that, and from here it's saying this includes e.g. visa for employment, EU blue card, and all of that. So this is the visa for employment. This is the opportunity card visa. We are just going to continue. It says incomplete visa application may be denied or refused. So we're just going to click on this link here, and now we are here. So we are just going to click here. You can see a click here for the online visa application, and we're just going to click on that right now. I'm just going to fill my personal information. You can decide if you want this in English or in German. Then okay, this is if you have registered before. So this is it. You just fill in your personal information, family name, place of birth, parents of the applicant, profession. Yeah, you just fill in all the required documents here. And please, while you're applying, make sure you're applying for the opportunity card visa, and that is all about that. And by when you're done applying, you save or you move to the next place. I cannot move further right now because this is not for me, so I'm not filling in my information and all of that. So when you're applying, please, this is the process. You fill all of this, you keep filling and filling, and that will be it. I think after that, then you get a response. According to the process of application, you get a response, and from there you're going to continue with the process. So this is what it looks like to apply for this visa. I hope I helped you a bit about the process of application for the opportunity card visa. So guys, I wish you best luck as you apply. Let me know if you have more questions, and whenever any further updates come up, I would let you guys know. And in the meantime, I think that is all about that for this video. So thank you for watching, and if you've not seen my previous videos on the opportunity card visa, you should check it out. I will link it to this video, and more so, please like and share this video, please. These are the ways you tell YouTube that my content is valuable and they can push this video to more people as will be in need of it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.